Hello, Priscilla here from BlackCompass software. In this demonstration, I'll be showing you how to create the line graph using the BlackCompass visualizer. As you can see, I have a list here in SharePoint 2013. It is showing us the city temperature. We have the measurement date, then the three cities, New York, San Francisco, and Austin. I'm going to launch the visualizer and select the line graph. As with all visualizations, you can consider creating your own dedicated view in SharePoint. For this demonstration, I'll be leaving this as all items. And of course, you can create your own titles for your graphs. You can also change the auto refresh settings, but again, I'll be leaving this. There are two main rendering modes for the line graph configuration. You can either choose to render the data row by row or apply some grouping. I'll come back to the grouping option. I'm going to choose to render the data row by row, where each row of data will be a data dot on the line graph. For column X, I'll leave this as the measurement date, and for column Y, I'll leave this as New York. And here is our line graph. If you hover over a date, you can see the corresponding data linking you back to the list item. And there is a master band down the bottom here where you can zoom and scroll. I'm going to open up the configuration and add the other two cities. I'll add San Francisco and Austin. I'm just going to change the colors. As you can see, the other two cities have been added now. Using the legend down the bottom here, we can choose to isolate a data series by removing the other ones. As you can see, I've now just isolated Austin. I'm going to go ahead and switch the graph type, and we'll apply some grouping now. I'm going to select line graph again, and for the first group, I'll leave this as the measurement date, and we've got various modes of grouping levels. You can either choose by minute, ranging all the way through to year. I'm going to select week, and to represent the data dot, I'll choose the average value. As you can see, there are other mathematical operators here. And I'll leave this as New York. Now we can see that the line graph has mapped the data according to the weekly average. I'm going to open up the configuration and change the grouping level. I'll now select month. Now we can see that the grouping level is now changed to month as opposed to week. As with all visualizations, you can save and publish your graphs. You can share them with your team. For more information about this product, please visit us at www.blackcompass.net.